Happy Tuesday morning, livers. We are up here at the Aviation Center, Mohawk College, up by John C. Munro Airport, and we've got something very exciting going on here. And with us today is the Dean of the whole program here, Jeff McIsaac. And just give us an idea of what you've got planned here, because I know a lot of people will be interested what's going to happen in the next little while.
So, as you say, here we are at the airport campus of Mohawk College, and so we have a number of programs we run here for aviation, mechanics, and engineering. And those are some of the programs that we're going to be showcasing at our open houses in the coming weeks.
Okay, now when students come here, what are they learning in their program?
So these are the skills that people need. As I say, it's called aircraft maintenance engineering. These are the skills you use to actually fix aircraft. These mechanics for aircraft. So whether that means you're building aircraft or if you're maintaining them at Pearson Airport or something like that, these are the skills these students are going to graduate with. And it's a booming market. Many of these students will graduate with a job 6 months before they graduate.
That's right. And these days, a lot of college and university programs are being cut because there's no jobs at the end of the line for them. And students are scratching their heads saying, what am I going to take? Where am I going to get a job out of this? So first of all, this is booming, and the open house starting April the 5th is going to show people what they can do with their lives.
Yeah, we would certainly welcome anybody who's interested in this kind of a field to come in. It's a fantastic field. It's one of the fastest growing we have, and as you say, it is booming. We've got shortages globally in these different industries, and companies across Canada are hiring. So we're definitely looking to promote this program.
One of the things that I had going for me when I was in radio and television going to school was that the school was tied into a number of TV and radio stations, so that if you passed your course, you could get a job basically right out the door. And that's the most exciting thing about this. And it's similar for you guys here. You've got some real ties with some very, very big operators in the area. So tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. Our industry partnerships are what makes the program go. So right next door to us here is Kelowna Flightcraft, KF Aerospace. They're one of Canada's largest aircraft maintenance organizations. Extremely important partner of this program here. They hire many of our graduates, but also across the industry. So whether that be Air Canada, Air Canada Jazz, WestJet, our faculty are largely industry experts who are in many cases still working in industry and come here to help our students out. So those pipelines are wide open. Those industry partnerships really are what make this program special.
Well, Dean, thank you very much for letting us come here today. We're going to be back a little bit later on to explore in detail some of what goes on here and the students that are, again, preparing themselves for the rest of their lives. Thanks for allowing us in today.
Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it.
Okay, everybody, we're back here at the Aviation Center for Mohawk College at John C. Munro Airport, and we're talking about something exciting that's coming up starting April the 5th, which is open house. Why is that exciting? Well, it's exciting because it's an opportunity to maybe look through a window, open the door to a future employment for those who are saying, geez, I don't know if my job's going to last. I'm taking this course. I don't even know if there's a job at the end of it, but there's lots of neat things here. So I want to bring in Adam. Adam is one of the faculty here, and this is not aerospace type equipment. This is kind of where everything starts. But the neat thing about what goes on here is you learn the whole gamut of things, not just one little area. You get a chance to taste everything that's out there, so that at some point you may have to run into that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we take our students and hopefully some of our future full house attendees on April 5th there to come into our shop and have zero to little experience with any kind of tooling or engines or any kind of mechanical abilities, really. We take you from what could be nothing to industry ready, and that's our goal. We don't do that only with the theoretical theory side of things, but as well as practical. So you get the knowledge set along with the practical set here to go and head into the industry. And yes, you are right, this does look like the older equipment. This stuff has been around for a very long time. That is because it's built to last. It's built for its reliability, it's built for its cost effectiveness, and it provides a great learning point for starters. For someone who has no knowledge, we start with smaller components, removal and installation of smaller components, which is happening throughout the shop here today. You'll see students taking several different components off. They'll be taking precision measurements and reinstalling those components back on the engine. And as they get to know each component throughout their career here, they'll end up actually dissecting the entire engine and reassembling it while performing all those measurements as a whole. So they get to go from that zero to industry ready status.
Mm-hmm. So, and again, they're getting the full gamut of things, because they'll never know as they get their jobs in the industry where it might lead them. But the good thing is there's jobs out there, and I think by 2036, I'm told that transportation and passenger service, all that's going to like double what it is right now. So there's huge opportunities. So that's why the open house is a good idea. You wanted me to try something here. Now, I'm not a technical person by any stretch of the imagination. What did you want me to try?
So what we're going to do is the final stages of the installation. So this engine has actually already been reassembled. So what we're going to do is we're going to torque the last few bolts. So I'm going to have you torque one of the bolts. Torquing is another precision tool that we use as a torque wrench. We want to make sure that the tightness for the bolt is specified as per the aircraft's manufacturer, or the engine's manufacturer in this case. So we've got a special tool here that will be able to go around the cylinder and not damage anything. And then we have our torque wrench that can fit on the side as well. So I'm going to position it towards you. It's already set to a specific torque value for you.
Okay.
You can support it on this end with one hand. You might want to come around this way.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, and then where the grip is on the torque wrench, and now all you're going to do is as you support it here, you're going to press down on the lever there, and when it clicks, you stop. There you go. That's it.
That was the click.
That's the click.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll check your word for that.
So
Well, that was
everything,
kind of cool. See, even I can do this.
everything on this
Not
engine
well, but I can do
gets installed like that. Everything gets installed torquing with precision and any kind of measurements associated with it as well.
Okay, so you'll all have a chance to meet Adam here at the open house, which starts April the 5th. You can see, have a look at your future. That's kind of what this is right now, just what's ahead. You're looking back in history, first of all, and then going ahead to whatever happens in aerospace down the road. So it's an exciting time, an exciting opportunity, so please take advantage of this, the open house at Mohawk College's Aviation Center. Welcome back to the Mohawk College Aviation Center, up by John Seaman.